YouTube sucks, guys. Now hold on, before you click out of this video, if you could do me a favor and hit that like button to let me know that you're actually following through and watching this video, I have a little bit of a situation to just kind of unfold onto you guys. Now, if you've been an avid follower of my channel, you know that I've uploaded, 150, 175 videos at this point. I've been very consistent, trying to upload anywhere from 1 to 3 videos a week. Most of it's about my life, my real estate journey, information about real estate investing, so on and so forth, to the tune of, gosh, I can't even put the amount of hours that I put into this channel. I never anticipated this much work to be put into a YouTube channel. Now bear with me, guys, this is gonna be much different than the rest of my content. It's probably not a video that I've really ever created on my channel, but I do wanna give you guys more of a personal side to my life and a lot of the issues that I run through, a lot of the issues that I struggle with day in and day out, and YouTube lately has been very, very frustrating. Now the reason it's been frustrating is because I like to see growth. I've seen growth in my real estate business, I've seen growth in me as an individual, I've also seen growth in the individuals that I elect to surround myself with, but YouTube is and has been lately something that I've not seen growth in. And YouTube is also something that I've put a considerable amount of time and effort into. And yeah, I've seen my channel go from 50 subscribers to I think I'm at, close to 3,000, 2,800. And I've also seen, my daily watch hours grow from, 2 1 hour a day combined from viewership to I think I'm anywhere from 30 to 40 watch hours total, which I'm super happy about. But when I see other people, and it's hard not to compare myself, when I see other people growing substantially faster than I am, it gets frustrating. So the main reason why I'm making this video is I'm in Austin, I'm at a real estate conference. I was supposed to be on vacation for 2 weeks. Just a side comment, when you wind up getting 4 people under contract and then you get an individual that reaches out wanting you to sell 4 homes, unfortunately my 2-week-long vacation was shortened to a short weekend, and now I'm in Austin at a real estate conference speaking, and I'm going to have the opportunity to get back, I think tomorrow, which is Friday, to get back to the hustle and grind of my real estate company. But that's besides the fact, guys. I am just here to flip open the camera. I don't have my editor or I don't have my videographer behind it. Actually, if you take a look, behind me is just a concrete wall. As I mentioned before, I'm in Austin for a real estate conference, but been speaking with my editor and videographer, trying to understand, what is going on and why I've seen a substantial fall off on viewership. And that's not to say that I have a significant following, but for the most part, I would say a video would be successful in my eyes if it got 100 views. Not 100 views in 20 minutes, not 100 views in a day, but just if a video got 100 views. That was kind of my threshold to determine whether or not a video was successful or not. Well, continuing to upload and continuing in the last 2 or 3 weeks to see not a single video really get more than 40 or 50 views, maybe 60 views, it's very frustrating, and it gets me to think maybe I need to switch up my content. Maybe I need to change something. I'm reaching out to you guys to mainly get your guys' thought process, whether or not you're an individual who just subscribed to my channel, whether or not you're an individual that has been subscribed to my channel for a while. I want to know what kind of content you guys want me to make. I can't see myself because of this, so I hope this is fine. So with that being said, guys, this is not going to be a super long educational video. That's a lot of what I've been putting out, sitting at my desk at the office in my filming studio, just doing a ton of content that is revolved around a lot of what I've learned and applying that into a video so I can hopefully educate people out there on the internet, on my YouTube channel, about pros and cons or the lessons I've learned. I did for a while last year do a lot of vlogs, a lot of behind the scenes. I wasn't entirely sure how the feedback was on that, although I filmed, I think, close to 30 different vlogs just about my life and what I was doing on a day-to-day basis. I can certainly get back to that, or I can do a lot more content with me traveling to other real estate conferences, me traveling across the country, whether it be playing poker or whether it be more of my personal life, more of day in the life of a real estate agent. I've also had a video concept idea of similar to Graham Stephan, where you react to videos. Now, I did react to some cringy real estate TikTok videos a while back. The video didn't do tremendously well, but Graham Stephan reacts to a ton of different videos coming from, his perspective as a former real estate agent and really just a financial guru. I've considered, maybe changing things up and doing something like that, but I really, guys, at the end of the day, I'm wanting to create content for you. I'm wanting to create content that's going to be engaging, that's going to have people interact with me, that's going to have some value proposition to it as well. And if the content I'm making currently right now, which has not been doing well, is not the kind of content you guys want to see, I need to change things up. So with that being said, this is gonna be a shorter video, but if you can please leave a like on this video to let me know that you've watched this video. But also beyond that, if you can leave a comment down in the comment section below, I would love to hear what you guys want to see and create content that's purposeful and intentional, especially for the viewers that are on my YouTube channel, as well as the subscribers and just future people that come across my channel. My goal when I first started YouTube was not to have 100 subscribers and just make 5 videos and stop. Obviously, I've continued to make videos, like I said, north of 150 to 175 videos. I'm wanting to create content for years to come. I'm wanting this to be a search engine for people to go to my channel and know that if they go to my channel, there's gonna be an answer for whatever kind of question, whether it be real estate, whether it be investing, whether it be just realtor questions. I want them to have an answer in the library of videos that I've made. So yes, guys, YouTube sucks. I've been watching YouTube for, God, I can't even tell you how long, probably since my high school days, so we're talking probably 15 years ago. I was watching, you know, people make a ton of pranks. I mean, I was watching YouTube even before the whole prank series with Fatality and Roman Atwood, then transitioned into making vlogs. And to be honest with you, I wanted to make pranks when pranks were a thing. I wanted to make vlogs when vlogs were a thing, but I didn't figure at that time in my life, just as a college student or a dude in the military or a dude in the Marines, really, no one wanted to watch that, right? They wanted to watch these hilarious, you know, families and pranksters, right? And then things kind of took a turn beyond vlogs, where vlogs really aren't a thing anymore, and it's gone, you know, to podcast, it's gone to just a much different YouTube. But I've been on YouTube for over 15 years watching content. Now I've been making content for coming on close to 2 years, but I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop making content, but it becomes very difficult to be motivated when you film a video and spend a good amount of time making a video and it gets 31 views. Now again, I'm not out for the views. I'm truly making educational content. I'm making videos in a form of just creative video content. Maybe it's you know, pick up the camera and do more engaging rather than just, hey, put up the camera and speak at my filming and editing studio. But things are gonna change on this YouTube channel. Things are going to come out a little bit differently, and hopefully you guys can give me some good ideas of what you wanna see. And to be honest with you, nothing's off the charts as far as what I'd be willing to do. Obviously, my channel is more financial, realtor, real estate, investment kind of channel. Now I'm going to have some fun trips that I like to do, and you know, I'd love to take the camera with me and film all that, but really guys, from the bottom of my heart, just to keep me motivated and keep me driving content to this channel consistently, if you can leave any kind of idea down in the comment section below, it would mean the world to me. I appreciate you guys being supportive. For the people that have been here from subscriber 50 to 100, to the people that just subscribed, I do appreciate all the support. I do appreciate all the viewership that you guys continue to give me, and I want to grow this channel to 10,000, to 50,000, to 100,000, to multiple hundreds of thousands of individuals. But I can tell you, if you elect and want to build a YouTube channel, it is not easy. I've built a multi-million-dollar company. I've left my whole life as a high school teacher and a Marine in the Marine Corps to really give myself an opportunity that I never imagined possible, and I love it. The opportunity has been life-changing to say the least, but I can tell you, I love going to the gym, I love traveling, I love working hard in my business, I love growing my business, but there's not been anything more difficult than growing a damn YouTube channel. So again, guys, I appreciate all the support. If you can leave me anything in the comment section down below, I will immediately get back to you because I'm listening to you. Hope to keep making content for you guys, and stay tuned because this channel will be changing.